all over the world, all over the world. Huh? It healed me. It can heal you. Heal me to heal me early one morning. It can heal